Niggas cuffing on my old bitch. Boy, I been told them hoes down. Me and my nigga don't cuff bitch. We kick them hoes out like so long. Bitch, I'm trying to get straight to it. Don't come to my house with no clothes on.
What up, YouTube? It's the boy MC the Shiznit. And my new jump off. Nothing fancy, nothing. Just something to collect me some money. But you dig what I'm saying? I'm about to do a little upgrade to it, man, already, man. I'll give y'all a hint. Look at that. Now listen to that. So, yep, that's how we coming right now, man. But stay tuned, man. Kick back, relax. No hating. What up, y'all? MC the Shiznit. Okay. Here go the pickup truck I got. Just to collect scrap. Don't get it twisted. Just to collect scrap, man. The grill cracked. Grill cracked. Grill broke over here. Lights got water in it. That light broke. I painted the wheels, put new tires on it, put a new gas cap on it. I got a new door handle. Got a new handle and a bezel coming, so don't pay that no mind. But this how I looked it when I first got it. Now this how it look now. Plus, I took it to the shop and got the new tips put on it because the tips was rusty. Got dual exhaust. So now, you know, they got these ugly torn mirrors. So now let's start the upgrade, people. Came home to a box in the mail. Got the new headlights, smoked with the smoke signals. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4 more packages. I'm gonna start with this one. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is a hood for my new lens. That 14 millimeters. It's just a hood for that. Check the next package. 4-pin relay switch, electronic flasher for LED. Another LED converter to stop it from flashing fast. Okay, we got the interior lights. For the inside, I already got one up there. We got tooth over there. Tooth in the doors. Up under the dash. Also got a rear end differential cover. I'm about to flush it. So with that being said, all the tail lights will be here tomorrow and maybe the door handle. So y'all stay tuned. But today, let's do it before and after, man.